Recording in progress.
Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour Meeting number 90. This is issue number 1933 on Ethereum/PM GitHub repository. In this meeting, we are going to go over PRs on EIPs as well as ERC's repositories. Proposals are added to be moved into different statuses, and we are joined by editor Sam Wilson. Welcome, Sam. Thank you for joining us here.
It's my pleasure.
All right. We are also joined by a few authors, and I believe some of them have also posted their question. Maybe we can begin with the ERC PR 1544, and we are joined by author Jiron. He may have some questions.
Sure, let's take a look. Do you have any specific questions or just want to review?
No, just a review. Thanks.
Sure, can do. Okay. The pending safe for a period of time. This period controls have no way to transfer the portion to another address. It's creates friction for users who need to migrate wallets. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Good motivation. So the and it transfers the entire deposit request balance from old controller to new controller. Request ID must only transfer the pending balance. Clear balance must not be affected. Just so we must decrease the transferred amount. Pending deposit. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. National sender must be old controller or another operator approved by old controller. Must have been the. Yep.
Yeah, it was just to like be consistent with 7540 because it's kind of
Yeah.
consistent, and that's how we did it there. Otherwise,
That's
I
totally fine.
Yeah.
Request.
Sorry, you said something in the two comments before. You said something about like also put backticks around the code.
Yeah, so this is a function name.
Yeah.
So just put it in backticks.
What do you mean by that? Put code snippets in header? Oh, you just mean this one. Okay, yeah. You mean every kind of code function name in a header should have backticks. Okay, get it. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. I mean, any code anywhere in the document should be in backticks, but specifically in headers here.
Yeah.
Sign. Why did you change colors?
That's a good question.
Yeah, it usually means there's a syntax error somewhere, but it could also just mean nothing. So,
It's not, oddly enough, it's not in my editor. Like I have VS Code
Yeah.
local, and it doesn't, it shows normally. I'm not sure.
So this is a dumb question, and I know nothing about any of this, but is there any reason why you don't mint these redeem requests as like ERC20s or something, and then you can transfer them with that?
That would be like a layer on top. It makes a lot of sense. That's the goal, actually. Like the idea is that you can transfer it into like an operator contract or a router contract, and that could mint like a probably more like an NFT, I would say, because well, I mean, it
Yeah.
could be either, to be honest. I think ideally actually it's 6909 token, but that's a different discussion. But yeah, that would be a layer on top, 100%.
Cool. Yeah, so this is great. If I go and do that one, that's good. This
I was
one.
typing along, so I'll just push a commit fixing your comments.
Oh, if you want, yeah, I can do it from here if you want.
Oh, that works too.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, unless it's not editable for, yeah, it's not editable for me, so you'll have to do it.
I'll click the buttons now. But isn't there a function to like commit multiple in like a single row?
Yeah, if you go to the Files Change tab, you can add them all from there.
Okay. Hmm. One to go. Yes, I'll commit it. Hmm.
Perfect.
I clicked update branch to update the main. Sorry.
No, it's fine. Okay, cool.
All right, thank you.
Oh, no problem. Thanks for coming out.
All right, have a good day. Thanks,
You
guys.
too. Where are we off to next, Pooja?
So we have a few final proposals. Maybe we can look into that,
Sure.
and then we have few more drafts to be looked into.
Okay. Let's see if there are any more discussions. Nope. All right. Standalone royalty distribution for royalties. Okay. Still about the distribution with multiple parameters at the primary level.
This seems like a big change. 712721, line number 31.
Yeah, that makes sense though. 721 is NFTs and 712 is signatures. So
Yeah.
makes sense. Okay. Where's sale price defined? Yeah, that's a to reference depth. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna. All right. 7893. Okay. Verify. Okay, let's go check the discussion thread. It's a lot of discussion. Okay. Service interface enables DeFi protocols to verify solvent secrets through smart contracts. This interface works by defining structured data types for assets and liabilities for the Oracle validated price feeds tracking. And the technical calculates solvent ratios using configurable risk thresholds, maintains historical metrics for trend analysis, and admits structured defense upon threshold breaches. Okay, some SVGs. Let's see how those look. That's 7893. Yeah, those look nice. Good. Yeah, that one's a little big, but no big deal. Okay. Good. We have the interface. Okay. Okay. All right. I mean, I guess that's fine.
Next, we have got a bunch of PRs which are ready for review, and we are joined by the author as
Oh,
well.
sure.
Um,
Let's look. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Um, okay, then we have minimal agent registry. Let's go and take a look at that. Okay, good. Metadata, so 609 8048, 609 8048. Nothing. Okay, and then we wanted human readable token identifiers.
We have quite a few today.
That's all right. A lot of them are getting merged, so that makes me happy.
Yep.
Wait, nope, that's not what I Average direct identifier. Da. Okay, that's fine. Unless that was almost already. Okay. Mhm. Then we're on to Smart Credential Resolution Interface. Space, there is an extra space. Okay, so that is all of those. We can go back to here. Did we do this one
Yeah.
already?
We have a few miscellaneous one. I believe those would be shorter. We can finish them up.
Perfect. Let's do that. Okay, so this one doesn't need a review for me. This one does need a review from me. What is this? Complete to-dos. 7039. I haven't read this one in quite some time.
Yeah, it looks like they're just waiting to finish up with to-dos and then get the proposal merged.
I mean, this is my proposal. This is weird. Using the icon URI from provider info. Okay.
That is fun.
Cool. So that's 7039, 7702.
I believe you are author as well there, right? So
Yeah. Proxy contracts? Not sure I understand. Message.sender equals tx.origin because the top.
so the next one is my proposal, and I have question. I'm not understanding what am I missing there. It's saying some error, maybe the execution specs file that I have referred, but I'm unable to understand it.
Oh, yeah, you just have to replace this with a commit instead of master.
I have taken this link from Tim's proposal of where he kind of like put all the missing meta EIP into one file. So I'm not sure like why is that different? Like I have just taken, let me tell you the EIP number.
Sure.
7568. So whatever file
Yeah.
number was mentioned here, I use the exact same one, like the same link.
Yeah, so he has a commit in the URL. That would be why.
Okay, so I just need to add the commit number.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe then I definitely missed on something. I'm gonna fix it right away. Other than that, do you see any other error that will be
In this one here,
the reason to stop it?
this document. Um,
Boja, I have a question.
Yes, please.
So basically everything is started from discussion in Ethereum Magicians, and then secondly, if the idea is going well and people discuss it, they will write some EIP and ERC, fork it from the Ethereum EIP's repo. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and so when people already do some couple of PR on the repos, like open PR, and link it with your magician discussions, and Sam will be coming into the review in this weekly meeting.
Yes.
Is that correct? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what's the different cycle on the status on and draft into the final one?
Maybe Sam can explain it
Yeah,
back.
sure. So if you haven't yet already, you should read EIP 1. It kind of describes the whole process. But the general idea is you make your pull request to create your draft, and you can leave stuff out. It's pretty like flexible what you need. Um, and then once you're done, so you've filled out all the sections, you feel like it's reasonably complete, but not in a final form. You open a pull request to move it into the review status.
Okay.
When you're in review, you go out and find people who would be interested in using your standard. So let's say you were writing a standard about NFTs.
Yeah.
You'd probably talk to people from the OpenSea community, for example, or if you're doing something with vaults or ERC20 tokens, you'd want to talk to DeFi. So you go out
Yeah.
and find people to read it, get reviews. Once you are satisfied as the author that your proposal has received enough reviews, you open a pull request to move it into last call. That's like usually a 2-week period for any final comments that anybody might have about your proposal. Assuming that there's no like show-stopping changes that happen after the 2-week period, you open a pull request to move it into final. And then once it gets to final, it can no longer be edited.
Okay, we'll explain. Thank you, Sam.
Oh, my pleasure. I hope that's clear. I don't know if it is.
It is just one question here, Sam.
Yeah.
Is it fine because if we follow the process, then here rationale is going to be a bit longer than usually we see it in EIP because.
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't see anything else wrong. It's just I think moving around the
Oh,
specification and the and
okay.
and the links. Yeah. Cool.
We'll do that. I know we are at time, Sam, but if you get a chance, please take a look at 11182. It was earlier approved by Gajinder Singh, but was stopped by the bot. So I tried to figure it out, but it seems like it is not working on my end. So again, it seems like something is missing there as well. So if you could.
There's weird. Okay. What's wrong with this? No, I think it might be just because you moved it to draft and then back. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was not working. Then Victor suggested that if you close your PR and reopen, then the bot would run again. So I tried to do that, but it did not work out.
Yeah, I
So
think moving it into draft clears approvals, but closing and opening it doesn't.
Okay.
I
So,
think. Yeah, I'll approve it.
yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care, everyone.